Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this makeup look. I did not know what look I was going for, but I did know that I wanted to use my Morphe gel liner, and that's the liner that I went with today to give me this nice tropical look. I feel like it's giving summer vibes, and I'm wearing a shirt, by the way. I just feel like I need some more shirts to go with my looks, so I'm definitely... Can I get in focus? Hold on. I'm definitely gonna be hitting up Shein because, child, I need some more shirts that will go with my looks. But yeah, this is the makeup look I'm gonna be showing you guys today. It's giving very much coral. It's giving a vibe, and I wanted to zoom in so I can show you guys. So these little things are literally a gel liner. No, it's a liquid liner. I did like a metallic liquid liner, and I also did like a reverse wing. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this look and also how I did my full face. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you at the end of the video. So starting off with my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer, I'm going to put this all over my face, and I just wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. So I'm not really going to talk you through the makeup portion, but I will link everything down below. I just wanted to talk about some of my unpopular opinions because I've seen some videos and I have been very drawn to these type of videos. So I'm going to talk about my unpopular opinions, all right? So my first unpopular opinion is you don't owe anybody an explanation, and I'm meaning like just in general, like if you don't want to talk to that person no more and they reaching out to you and they feel like they telling you like, oh, they want to talk to you and blah 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 and all these things, like you're not obligated to talk to them. You're not obligated to say any words to them. Like literally you could just go about your life and you don't owe nobody nothing, okay? I feel like it took me a long time to get to this point where I feel like, yeah, I don't owe nobody no explanation. I could do what I want, and it sounds harsh, but it's reality. Like, that's so draining. Another unpopular opinion is don't make somebody else's opinion affect what you do. Okay, here why I say this. Most people would say like, oh yeah, you could give advice and take advice, but I just feel like for me, like I don't want no advice from somebody that has not gone through what I'm going through, if that makes sense. Like if I'm going through something and you want to give me your advice on it, okay, that's fine, but don't expect me to take your advice if I didn't like come to you and be like, hey, this and this is happening to me, what do you think I should do? You know what I mean? Like some people that come and they give you their unsolicited opinion, like what the heck. Another unpopular opinion is I absolutely hate skincare videos. Hear me out. I know I made skincare videos in the past, but now like you could even look at my skin in this video. My skin be breaking out just so randomly, and I feel like when people are like, oh hey, what do you use on your skin, like when my skin is looking nice, now it's such an awkward kind of conversation because sometimes my skin is nice and then sometimes it's breaking out and looking a mess. So I really don't enjoy skincare videos anymore just because it's like, bruh, 1 minute my skin is looking good and then the next minute it's looking a mess. Another one is these hair companies are literally scammers. So some of them, don't get me wrong, I love like getting new wigs. I love trying on new wigs and stuff like that, and the hair companies sending me their wigs and everything. But I feel like some of them are scammers and some of them are the same company. Let me know if you ever receive your package and you see like the shipping name and the company name is the same as another company. I feel like I've seen that a lot, and I'm just like, what if all these hair companies are just one company? Like, what if all these hair companies are just one business and they're just making like millions of dollars, but it's a whole bunch of different names? I don't know. Because the other day I got a wig and in the box, it had a different company's bag. And I thought that was really, really odd. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you're feeling me on this unpopular opinion. But I feel like all these hair companies are one big company. Another one is I don't care if you wear fake designer. Like, I don't care what people doing with their money. I don't care. And I bought these Louis Vuitton shoes from the unknown website the other day, and I was feeling myself. I even took a picture, so go on my Instagram and you're gonna see my fake ass LV shoes. Anyways, I actually am feeling them, but they don't look like the real ones. But then again, I'm like, they're pretty cute, you know? I don't know. But yeah, I feel like there's nothing wrong with that. Staying in your tax bracket, I heard most people saying like, oh, they don't like people that buy from the unknown website because it's disrespecting people that actually spend their hard-earned money on their shoes and blah blah blah, on their bags and all these things. And I'm just like, okay, that's fine, but like, what does that have to do with an individual wanting to buy something from the unknown website? Like, I don't give a fuck if you feel like that's disrespecting you. Like, what the heck? But yeah, because for me, I felt like it was a waste of money. Like, my Balenciaga tracks, are they tracks? I don't know, but I bought them last year, and that was like one of my worst purchases. Let me know in the comment section if you guys want to know my worst purchases that I made so far, being in my 20s. And yeah, like my worst purchases, some things that I feel like you should get. If you want to see that video, just like this video and comment down below. One of my worst purchases, I feel like, was them Balenciaga shoes. Like, it was so unnecessarily expensive. I'm the kind of person, like, you guys probably never seen a picture of them. If you follow me on Instagram, you've never seen a picture of them because I don't wear them at all. Since I bought them, I only wore them 3 times, and that was to and from the airport. I feel like buying designer sandals are a waste of money as well, because I bought my Dior sandals and my slides, and it's expensive as fuck. I mean, as freak. And I wear them, but like, they're like really dirty. And I feel like when it comes to something that's a luxury, not really luxury, because luxury is anything that makes you feel good, anything that brings value to your life, I feel like is luxury. Just having health is luxurious. So those shoes just cost way too much, and we're walking on them. They're about to be dirty and messy, and you know, you want to keep your more expensive items nice and clean. Another unpopular opinion is it's so ghetto having a sibling that is a baby when you're in your 20s. I'm sorry, it's gonna shake the table for the parents, but child, that's so ghetto. You go to doctor's appointments or something, and then they're looking at you like you're the parent, or like they're just wild. That's another unpopular opinion. Palm colored people should mind their business when it comes to black people hair. I'm sorry. That's just how I feel. And also, black men should mind their business when it comes to black women's hair and what they wear. I'm sorry. Don't shoot the messenger. Guys, I'm just talking about a lot of random things. Another unpopular opinion is believe them the first time that they show you who they are. I know that's sounding like duh, but like, no, for real. Don't even allow somebody to treat you like shit a second time. I really had to learn the hard way, child. That's a good one. Don't let nobody treat you crazy. Don't allow a manipulative person back into your life. All right. I don't know if these are like really like unpopular opinions. I'm just speaking my mind right now. Another one is people really be making a living off of social media. And that's crazy. But like, that's so cool. And I don't like I hate people that be like, oh, people need to get a real job. Like, what is a real job? Please let me know. Coming from a person that work retail and all these things, let me know what's the real job. Is it slaving for $11 an hour, or just let me know, okay? Because I was the kind of person, I was getting paid like $8 an hour, like 4 years ago, I don't know. But like, it was, no. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Another unpopular opinion is Shein is very scary, and I feel like they be having kids making their clothes. I'm sorry, I used to buy stuff from Shein, and the other day I bought some nail supplies, and they were alright. Some of them do change color really fast, but I seen this thing on TikTok, and I don't know if it's real or if it's not, but I wouldn't put it past them. Like, the packaging having the word help and stuff like that on them, and I was just like, ooh, it's giving horror film, child. But yeah, that's another unpopular opinion. And then, okay, guys that were raised by their moms and they have it made, meaning that they have like a silver spoon in their mouth and they get anything that they want, and you know, like their parents have money or whatever the case is, and they're spoiled, they're the most disgusting human beings. And that's my unpopular opinion, because they feel like they're better than you and they feel like they're the prize, and that's just disgusting to me. Oh, another one is I hate people that don't tip the servers. Like, why are you not tipping the servers? Like, that's so disgusting. Like, imagine they're not even getting paid, like, proper. But I be putting people in my shoes. Like, I be putting myself in people's shoes. And I just think of it like, dang, imagine me coming and bring all this damn food to y'all straight and trying to be nice, smiling, all this shit. And y'all give me $1 tip. Like, yeah, I hate people that are not nice to service and that are disgusting. And I also hate rude establishments. Like, bitch, that's why your store is finna get closed down in a month. Yeah, that's my unpopular opinions. What is another one? Another one is I don't judge people that get surgery. If you're insecure about something about yourself and you're doing it for yourself, like, I support surgery 1000%. And I'm so sorry to say that, but like, no, that's for real. It's only like really scary because I seen like a couple years ago somebody's titties were poisoning their body. And then this other girl, her BBL was poisoning her body as well. But like, bruh, to reach it, someone, just make sure you do your research and you have your money to spend on your body. I don't know. Yeah. Another unpopular opinion is, when you think of it, most people be feeling like they're the main character of your life, but we actually don't give a fuck. No, but I don't give a fuck. No, for real. Like, I don't even watch people's story on Instagram. Like, literally, I don't even watch people's story on Instagram. And if I do, it's like a random occasion. But yeah, that's my unpopular opinion. I'm loving how this makeup is turning out, by the way. Don't forget to comment on this video. Let me know if you like this type of video. I will definitely be doing some more videos like this. Just let me know if you like it, and I'll know that I can do like little talking stuff like this. I'm always gonna link my makeup stuff in the description box. And I just wanted to tell you guys, like, literally you could do anything you want. So I got back from Grenada in January. I booked my permit test on the 10th of January, and I literally got my license on May 4th. So put that into perspective and just, you know, believe in yourself and always believe that you could do anything that you put your mind to. And yeah. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. If you enjoyed this makeup look, if you're going to try it or something similar, make sure you comment down below. Let me know that you will. Let me know that you enjoyed this. Let me know that it was helpful. I will link all my products that I used today down below, so you guys can check my description box and all the products will be linked there. And also, if you want to check out this hair, I probably already have the video up, and if I don't, it will be up after this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.